In the previous class, I had given some homework. I hope all of you have solved that. Very simple problems. Try for that. If any problem in there also, inform me. Now let's take up some more examples. Example number 25. A, B, C start business, each contributing rupees 20,000 as capital. But B puts an additional capital of 5,000 at the end of every 4 months, while C withdraw rupees 10,000 after every 6 months. How should the profit of rupees 9,000 be divided at the end of the year if A is to receive 20% of the profit for acting as manager? This was the example asked in May 19, 8 marks question. See what is three contributors are there, business contributing. Condition is there. See, B puts an additional amount of 5,000 at the end of every 4 months. So initial investment is 20,000. After 4 months, his investment is 25,000. Next, second, after 8 months, his investment is again 5,000 extra, that becomes 30,000. At the end, so after the 12 months, third time his investment becomes 15,000 extra, so that is 30,000. So B's investment equal to that 30,000. Similarly, one more condition is there. While C withdraws the 10,000 after 6 months, so initial his investment is 20,000, and after 6 months his investment is 10,000. So in this way, how to interpret? Now it is given that A, B and C each contributing rupees 20,000. B puts an additional amount, capital of rupees 5,000 after every 4 months, and while C withdraws 10,000 after every 6 months. This implies that B's investment equal to 20,000 plus 20,000 into 4 plus 4 months. Then after the 4 months, his investment is additional 5,000. So 25,000. So 25,000 into 4, that is 30,000. 25,000 into 4. Next is after the 8 months, his investment becomes again 5,000 extra, that becomes 30,000. So 30,000 into 4, that is equal to 3 lakhs for 1 month. Similarly, C's investment. C's initially is 20,000 after 6 months. So first 6 months his investment is 20,000 into 6. That gives you 20,000 into 120,000 means 1,20,000. After that his investment is only 10,000. So 10,000 into 6, that is equal to 67. Altogether his investment is 1,80,000 for 1 month. So A's investment equal to 20,000 all the months. So 20,000 into 12, that gives you 240,000 or 2,40,000 for 1 month. Now the share is the total profit is 9,000, and A receives 20% of the profit acting as manager. That is 0.2, that is equal to 20% means 0.2. 0.2 into 9,000, that is equal to 1,800, and the balance profit equal to 9,000 minus 1,800, that is equal to 7,200. Now contribution after the deducting his share acting as manager, so 1,800 rupees, the remaining balance is 7,200. This 7,200 rupees should be distributed according to their capitals. So the Share, what is the share now? Here their capital is A's share is 2,40,000, B share is 3 lakhs, and C's share is 1,80,000. So that you can simplify this proportion. That becomes proportion becomes 4, 5, and 3. So yes, profit equal to now simple. Total is 5 plus 4 plus 5 plus 3 is 12. So out of 12, A share is 4, B share is 5, and C share is 3. Accordingly, so A share of profit equal to 4 divided by 12 into 7,200 plus 1,800 acting as manager, so 20% extra, so that gives you 4,200. Similarly, B share of profit equal to 5 by 12 into 7,200, that is equal to 3,000. C share of profit equal to 3 by 12 into 7,200, that is equal to 1,800. So total profit equal to 4,200 plus 3,000 plus 1,800 equal to 9,000 as given. So next, let's see the next example. Example number 28. Example number 28. This also asked in May 15, 8 marks questions. Here I will read the question first. Question number 28. A and B partners with a capitals of rupees 3,000 and 2,000 respectively. Out of total profits, 5% interest is provided on capitals. 20% of the remainder should be allowed to person B as management remuneration. The balance is divided in the proportional to capital. If in 1 year each partner received as much as the other, find the total profit. Here the clue is here. If the after the end of the year each partner received as much as other, it means is in share total what A receives, so the same amount is received by B. A equal to B. So the share of A equal to share of B, that is the clue. Now what is the share of A? Now let us see one by one. Let the amount of total profit equal to X. Given that amount of 5% interest received by each implies, so interest received by the person A equal to 5% of the 3,000, that is equal to 0.05 into 3,000, that gives you rupees 150. Similarly, the interest received by the person B, that is equal to again 5% of the 2,000, that is equal to 0.025 into 2,000, that is equal to 100 rupees. So total amount of interest received by the person A and B altogether equal to 150 plus 100, that is equal to rupees 250. Now profit I have already assumed X, so the remained profit equal to X minus 250. Now this X minus 250 is distributed according to their share. So it is given that 20% of the remainder allowed to B. So 20% of this X minus 250, 20% of this, so 5 divided by 100, 20% is 20% of the remainder allowed to B. 5 by 100 into X minus 250, that is equal to X minus 250 divided by 5. Now balance amount equal to X minus 250 minus X minus 250 divided by 5, that is equal to 4x minus 1000 divided by 5, and this is to be divided according to their share profits. Therefore A share equal to 3 by 5 into 4x minus 1000 divided by 5, that is equal to 12x minus 3000 divided by 25. Similarly, B's share equal to 2 by 5 into 4x minus 1000 divided by 5, that is equal to 8x minus 2000 divided by 25. It is given that at the end of the year, amount received by A equal to amount received by B. Therefore, we have to equate this and hence solve the equation. Sorry for the disturbance. 12x minus 3000 divided by 25 equal to 150, that is equal to 8x minus 2000 divided by 25 plus x minus 250 divided by 5. By simplifying this, we get x equal to 1500. So this is the solution of that. If any doubts, please call me or send the message. I will explain. I hope it is clear. So once again I request you, you try to solve the homework problems what I have given earlier. Let us stop here. Thank you. So homework is like this. Example number 29. 5 May ask us 15 marks, 7 marks. Answer I had given 29, 30 and 31. Similarly, solve these questions and get the answer. Answer was also given. Try for that. Thank you.